This will be the elevator on the upper level of the City Place subway station here in Dallas, Texas. And we're gonna ride one of the elevators. This one has the Epic motor. Let's head up to the upper level and listen to that motor. Very smooth. Let that down, sit down. These were filmed by Diesel Ducey and Gloose. This elevator has since been modernized slightly with innovation, I believe, bruiser fixtures. This station has multiple levels of elevators and escalators. There it goes. This is a ride down the first set of escalators here at the City Place subway station. Up there's the elevator we just filmed. That's the incline elevator. And this is one of two sets of escalators to take to reach the platform level. There's a set of escalators that go to the opposite side of the freeway. And these escalators go down to the platform level. You can hear a dart train coming into the station. There it comes. You can see it to the left of the screen. There's some artwork. I was told they constantly update the artwork. Orange line dart train right there. That heads to the Dallas airport. There it goes. Those are Kinky Shario trolleys. And this is the elevator at the lower level of the City Place subway station, Dallas, Texas. You can watch it come down from above. This elevator smells really bad. This is the middle level. It's the ticket vending machines. And we're gonna ride the incline elevator. Watch the elevator depart from the floor. The counterweight, it's got a pretty loud motor to it. And then back there's the machine room. There's the motor turning. Here's the elevator docking. Alright. And then over here, the branch of machines changed to Otis. And this is the Otis elevator up to the street level. I believe this side of the street has the Nordstrom headquarters. This elevator has also been modernized. But this was originally Otis. This is the ground level. And this is the building this is the building right where the elevator is that we came up. This is the Nordstrom headquarters. Very tall building. We're going to conclude this tour with a ride on the Otis escalator at the City Place subway station. Over there's our favorite security camera. Here we are back in the incline elevator. We're going to head back down to the platform where I will catch my train. So yet another correction. That high-rise building is called City Place Tower, and that's the main entrance. Enjoy your ride back down. This is a geared traction incline elevator. goes. I'll take one last ride on this elevator. To make it down to the platform level. Looks like we're not moving. There we go. There goes the elevator, and that will conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed this elevate tour of the City Place subway station, Dallas, Texas. Made famous by Diesel Ducey. And that'll be it.